The most frustrating revenue losses are the ones you saw coming and did nothing about it. Usage is down, engagement is fading, and still nothing happens. That's how companies lose revenue they thought was secure. Not because the warning was missing, because no one had to act before the loss became real. That's the problem. Most companies still treat retention like a renewal task. It's not. Retention starts earlier. It starts the moment an account moves into risk, and the business has to decide whether someone must step in before revenue is lost. If risk is visible and nobody is required to act, retention is not governed. I'm Jelena and this is AI4Sales Edge, where we explain how AI is changing the way B2B companies make revenue decisions. Here is what is really happening. Many businesses can now see retention risk earlier, but they still haven't defined who must act when that risk appears. That's retention authority, who is formally accountable for protecting existing revenue before it's lost. And that's exactly where the real failure starts to show. Most companies treat lost revenue like a customer event. It's usually not. In many cases, the revenue was already at risk long before the customer officially leaves. The real failure is this. The business saw the risk, but never turned that risk into action. And once the account starts slipping, your options don't stay the same. They shrink. That is a retention authority problem. Because when account risk rises, too many companies still have no clear trigger, no clear owner, and no required response. The warning is there, but action is still optional. And when the action stays optional, revenue stays exposed. And once that becomes a pattern, the damage goes far beyond one account. This is not about one lost renewal. It's about what repeated inaction does to the revenue base. Revenue that looks secure becomes less stable. The business ends up replacing revenue it should have protected. Growth gets more exposed, planning gets harder, pressure spreads across the whole system. That is why retention authority matters. Because when risk is visible but nobody is required to act, the company is not just losing an account, it's making existing revenue less stable. And you can see that clearly when one live account starts to slip. Here is what that looks like. The customer is already live, the revenue is already on the books, then the account starts slipping. Usage drops, engagement fades, expansion stalls. CS plays a critical role. They lead the account, surface risk, and drive recovery. But they do not own the commercial and strategic decisions that follow. And that is exactly where the account becomes exposed. For example, adjust scope or hold the line. Invest more or limit exposure. Restructure the deal or accept the risk. Those are the decisions that actually shape the outcome. CS flags the risk. They push for meetings. They raise the concern. But they still do not own the decision that decide the outcome. So the account keeps drifting. The revenue is not lost suddenly. It slips away while nobody clearly owns the decision that could still protect it. Most revenue loss in enterprise accounts doesn't come from one bad moment. It comes from decisions no one clearly owned. The business didn't miss the signal. It failed to act on it in time. And that is why retention is really a question of authority. Retention authority is simple. Who is accountable for protecting existing revenue before it is lost? That's the decision. Not who sees the signal, not who owns the dashboard, not who cares the most. Who is formally accountable for triggering actions when account risk rises. Because once the account moves into risk, awareness is not enough. Someone has to act. And that's the difference. Now AI can show when revenue is at risk. Authority decides whether the business acts in time. And that's exactly what many companies still misunderstand. They assume retention is decided at renewal. Usually it's decided earlier. By the time renewal becomes the visible problem, the account has often been under pressure for months. The warning was already there, the business just waited too long to act. So the leadership question shouldn't be only how do we save the renewal? It should be who has the authority to act when the risk first appears. That's the shift. Because existing revenue is not protected only at the contract event. It's protected at the point where the risk becomes serious enough to require action. And AI is now making that point much easier to see. AI can now surface account risk much earlier and much more clearly. It can show usage decline, renewal risk, open issues that stay unresolved. That matters. Because leadership can now see which accounts are moving into risk before the revenue is formally lost. But AI doesn't turn the signal into action. That still depends on the business. AI improves visibility. Authority determines whether that visibility changes anything. And those are not the same thing. So the fix is not better visibility alone. The fix is governed response. So define 4 rules. What risk threshold trigger mandatory review? Who owns authority to act? What recovery plans must be documented? When escalation to executive level is required? That's how retention discipline gets protected. Not assumed, not delayed, not reactive, governed. And once that is clear, leadership has to ask a better question. Instead of who owns this renewal, the question should be, when accounts start moving into risk, what response is required and who owns it? That is the stronger standard. Because the goal is not just defend the renewal event, it's to protect existing revenue before the loss is already visible in the number. And that brings the issue back to one final decision. When accounts start slipping, who is formally accountable for protecting revenue and under what defined trigger? Because customer loss is rarely sudden. It's usually a risk that was visible earlier, but never turned into action. And revenue that depends on late response, it's not stable revenue. Subscribe to AI4Sales Edge. Real stories, real results, no fluff.